Good to see the number of people that waited to this time. I want to give a round of applause for yourself, please. Yeah. Without the community, Data First Africa won't exist. So we are grateful to have you come to our conference. Yeah, so I'll be talking about the journey and aspiration of Data First Africa. So I'd like to say this live. So how Data First Africa started actually. I came back from a conference, and when I attended the conference, the number of people I gave a talk in that conference, they were not up to data people in that conference. They were not up to in the whole conference. They were not up to 20. It was discouraging, right? Because people didn't come for that session. Then I went home and I tweeted that one day there'll be an event where data scientists, data analysts, data engineers, power platform developers, machine learning engineers will come together to hold their conference. So that tweet, I actually put it out of emotions. And the community picked it up from there, Twitter data community. And a lot of people from the community start commenting. We have Femi Fabi, we have Olariwaju Ojeabulu, and everyone starts supporting that conference. And David put out a tweet that we are holding the conference called Data First Africa. Yeah. We'll be having our conference around October and November, and that's how the conference started. So the fun fact is, when we put out this tweet, sincerely we were not sure of anything. We just put it out as a normal tweet, right? And we are glad to see what Data First has become in less than 2 years, because that tweet happened. Can you give a clap for the organizers, please? Yeah. So in less than 2 years, Data First started as March 26. In less than 2 years, our last conference, we had, I think, for the 2 days, we had up to like 2.1K attendees for the first conference. That's a huge milestone for a domain conference. So, and online, we have, in combination, we have up to like 4.5K. You get, that was huge for us, and the support from the community. And this year now, as at what I heard from yesterday, we have close to or over 1.2K persons attended. That was yesterday. So I don't know the number of people that attended today. So this shows the milestone that Data First is growing bigger than we expected because of the support from the community. So next slide. We started with Data First Africa without having Data Community Africa in the points, right? So Data Community Africa, like if you attended our session yesterday, me and David, is like the bigger body, right? The encapsulation of everything around Data First Africa. So Data First Africa is just a yearly conference that happens, right? Where we come like this to meet and talk about, attend workshop, network with people, meet people you've met like in over 1 year and all, right? But Data Community Africa, our mission and vision is to see that the community that there's collaboration in the community, right? And people are helping themselves answer questions, helping themselves get jobs, helping themselves create networks and all. That's one of the goals we are trying to build in the community. Because one of the pain points we saw in Africa is there's this space that we need to fill. There's this gap that we need to fill, that people think that data people don't exist in Africa. You get? So things like this is why Data Community Africa was created. Yeah. So I want to play this video now for how the last conference looked like. Yeah, nice. I see David Brown in that video. Please, let's give a clap to David Brown. David Brown have been supporting us even from the inception of Data First Africa. So we are glad to have him this year as our keynote speaker. So next slide, please. I'll be announcing the Data Community Africa. It was announced yesterday. So we would like to get feedback of what, the next slide, please. We would like to get the feedback of what you think of the website, and we want to keep improving on the website, like I said. So if you go to datacommunityafrica.org, you see a lot, like I said, that Data Community Africa is the bigger body, where Data First is just like an atom under Data Community Africa, right? So can you scan this QR code if you were not around yesterday to see what our website looks like? Yeah, and also join the Discord community. The next slide, please. Yeah, so I'll be talking about the Data First Africa team. These are the, I would say, wonderful people that has made Data First happen. Despite having a full-time job, we are making sure we can come together to meet here to create an history in Africa, right? So, next slide, please. So, I don't know if you've seen these faces. This is myself, this is Ola, this is Olaigwe, this is Mina, this is Ayodele, this is Blessing. The next slide, we have David Abu, we have Obemi Fabi, we have Precious, we have Ibilolia, we have Omowonola. So these are the people that have been making Data First happen from the inception. So the fun fact is, sleepless night. It has not been easy, I'll tell you. There've been a lot of challenges around trying to raise funding. Even despite these challenges, we still make sure Data First Africa continue to happen. And we are promising you that you'll be coming again for Data First Africa 2024 with this amazing team. I want to give a clap for this amazing team. For our milestone, for Data Camp, we have over 114K exercises. The next slide. Over 2K courses, over 1.3K practice session, over 90 tracks. We want to appreciate our partners and sponsors. Yeah, so we want to appreciate our partners first of all. We want to appreciate Propel because why I'm talking about joining the Discord community, there are people that have gotten jobs. We have it in our portfolio, right? There are people that have gotten jobs through the Data First community with the support of Propel, which is our partner. These are milestones for us. We also have ProveUp. ProveUp is our web partner that made the Data Community Africa available. So in this place, I would like to talk about one thing that has been like the story, like I'll say the lesson we've learned while trying to bring Data First community together, Data Community Africa. If like you are doing something, I would say be consistent with it, because for every month we organize meetings by meetings, just to make Data First Africa possible. So now I mentioned the organizers and I'll be calling them on stage now so you can identify us, and I want you to give a clap for all the organizers. Please give a clap as we welcome the organizers of Data First Africa since the inception. Give a clap as we welcome the organizers of Data First Africa on the stage. If you're an organizer for Data First Africa on the stage, please come. Come up, please. Please, let's give a clap. Let's give a clap, please. We want to appreciate people that have been supporting us online. We want to appreciate Jessica. We want to appreciate Rising Odegwa. And we want to appreciate everyone. Mubarak, we want to appreciate Sadiq Akintola. Thank you for supporting us online. We want to appreciate Blessing. Blessing is one of our organizers. He's not currently here. We want to appreciate you for supporting Data First Africa. Olariwaju Yubuki, thank you. Data First Africa. See you in 2024.